Hey, if you'd like to learn how to do 2-strand twists, you're in the right place. Stay tuned. Start off by separating your hair into 2 pieces. You need to use your thumb and your index finger to grab onto the hair. Then you will also need your middle finger and your ring finger to catch the hair that you pass around. So now that you know the basics, let's get twisting. The thumbs and the index finger pass the hair, and then your middle and ring finger catch the hair. It's as simple as that. Twisting is really just putting one strand of hair over the other. So that is what you're going to do. So you're going to take your left strand and pass it over the right strand. Then whichever hair is now on the left, you pass it over to the right again, and literally that is all that you do. This is what you do to make sure that your twists last for longer. Basically, you're doing a pinching method. So you're just rolling the hair in between your thumb and your index finger. So as you twist, you roll the hair in between. Twist and roll. Twist and roll. If you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. When you get to the ends, just twirl the hair around your finger using the rolling method, and that is all that you do to make sure that your twists do not unravel. If you liked this video and it was helpful to you, do give it a thumbs up and share it to anyone else who would like to learn how to twist. See you in my next video where I show you how to flat twist. Bye!